Good Thursday morning, everyone. February 3rd, 2022. I think the internet's going to cooperate with us today, and we're able to get a video up today. But first, we're going to go for a message from our sponsor. Aerial Crop Care Solutions, LLC is hiring seasonal help for the months of May through August. They're looking to hire ground crew operators for their aerial application company who are quick to learn, have a passion for helping others, and have experience driving trucks and trailers. A CDL is not required, but is recommended. Great incentive pay with bonuses for those who use their own trucks. You must be willing to be away from home for several weeks at a time. Call 276-733-2678 for more information. Up first, we've got some wind concerns I'd like to discuss very quickly. Johnson County, Tennessee is under a high wind warning. Gusty winds are possible outside of that warning area. Current temperatures here this morning about 10:14 a.m. We're seeing temperatures in the 40s. We're also seeing dew points following suit in the 40s, and that's producing visibilities down to 0 miles in many areas. Mount Airy, Galax, Wytheville, Radford, Winston-Salem down to 0. Martinsville, Roanoke, and Wilkesboro clocking in at 1 mile visibility. Marion, Mountain City, and Bristol a little bit better. A look at current radar as of 10:23 a.m. We've got heavy rain pushing across the region. This is going to continue. We're looking at somewhere between a tenth to upwards of half an inch of rain an hour. That is relatively high in terms of rainfall rates. That continues throughout the day. Light rain off and on. We're probably going to see a break in the action at some point today based off Future Track radar. Kind of has this first round pushing out. Most of us will probably be mostly calm with some off and on showers, scattered showers later on this afternoon. High temperatures today, we're going to continue to rise up into the 50s and low 60s. Bristol and Winston-Salem at 60. The rest of us somewhere between 52 and 57 or 58 degrees for today. Future Track radar shows a stronger line of showers, and some of these reds could be indicating even some rumbles of thunder possible, setting up for tonight. Low temperatures aren't going to be very low, 40s and 50s across the board. Notice winds out of the south, 10 to 14 miles per hour. That's going to help to bring in this warmer air and possibly even fuel again, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. Showers continue to cross the region Friday morning. This is again pre-dawn Friday. And notice we see some wintry precipitation. Our friends off to the west are getting hammered with a big winter storm. We're going to likely see just rain, but we could see some isolated freezing rain early Friday into Friday afternoon if the temperature and precipitation cooperate. Low temperatures tonight, 40s and 50s. Again, 57 Winston-Salem, 49 Galax. This is kind of the area where we could expect to potentially see some freezing rain or snowfall possible. These the areas where temperatures are in the 40s, they're only going to be falling from there. So if temperatures can fall fast enough and the moisture's there, they'll see some snow. Light rain again for Friday, temperatures in the 50s. Future Track radar, again, we might see that wintry precipitation there to the north there. Rain and everything moves out by Friday evening. High temperatures on Friday are going to be falling. Again, winter mix is possible in these areas after the temperatures fall below freezing. Otherwise, we're going to see temperatures, the 50s, falling to the 20s and 30s by Friday afternoon. For Saturday, high temperatures only rising into the 30s and 40s. We could see gusty winds at times. Future Track rain showing that we're going to see likely a couple of inches of rain. Not quite sure if we're going to reach 2 in some spots. I'd say we will, but not looking at a widespread. Heavy rain. This is again a half to 1.5 inches of rainfall likely. You can see the higher totals possible along the mountain ridges. Now, here's what we got going into the weekend and the next week. We're looking pretty good for the weekend. Quickly rebounding on temperatures by Monday up to 46. Wednesday, 47 degrees. Again, we're not looking at very many precipitation chances. And you might be asking, what happened to that weekend snowstorm I seen the other weather pages posting about? Well, this weekend winter storm's down to 0. As of my latest update, I was indicating that it looks like things are taking a more southern trend. And what you'll likely see is some of these other guys posting old model runs showing that there's still a chance. But no, I am thinking that there's not going to be anything that takes place for the weekend. If there is, we'll be sure to let you know and update you as soon as we have the most up-to-date information. You can find the most up-to-date information by following Weather from Woodlawn on Facebook, Instagram, visiting our website at weatherfromwoodlawn.com, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so when we upload a new video, you are notified. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully we'll be on the air again tomorrow.